today we're building a roof rack for my truck. It's a 04 Chevy extended cab. So got some 1.5" tubing, some angle iron for the rails. So just gonna lay the rails out first, then start bending up some tube. So. So, I got the frame rails tacked up and squared out. So, my table's not obviously large enough, so I just took some square tubing and widened it a little bit. So, now I'm gonna make some measurements on the cab and bend some tube. So right now I've just got the top hoop on, holding it up with the engine hoist. I'm gonna come off here with a bar, 90 that over there. Then I'm gonna put some cross supports in and then put the top on. Got the rack pretty much done. Fits kind of tight on the roof, but when it's all done, I'm gonna put some, I mean, there's literally like, you can barely see through that. But I'm gonna put some probably like 1/4 inch rubber under that, so it should raise it up just enough to where it doesn't rub. And if it does rub, I don't really care. I was gonna add some gussets in here. That might look pretty cool. And then probably do some dimpled dye, little brackets in here. And maybe another dimpled dye gusset right there. But it turned out pretty good. It's not like your normal rack, so it's kind of what I wanted, something a little bit different. I think it turned out pretty good. Got my plasma table the other day, cut some stuff out for it. I gotta cut these out. Cut those things out. I don't really know what they do, they just kind of look cool. I gotta get it painted now. Probably gonna go with like a wrinkle finish, black of some sort. For this, I just, sorry the camera's not focusing, just kind of bent that up on the bottom of it, just 1 inch flat bar. I think I'm just gonna put foam under it. I might bolt it to the roof, I'm not sure yet. Made these gussets over here. Nice pretty welds, kinda. But turned out really good.